Hi guys, the first video ever on basically it's a test for Obs-studio. It's all good. And let's have a look at the settings, how hard I've set it. Input. I guess we can put this one to 140, something like that would be probably better. So that's one thing. And in the meantime, let's do a sneak peek. It is Wayland. Niri is Wayland, and the idea of Niri is when you do a Control T, for example, and another Control T, it goes next to it. So Control T, Control Shift Enter, you know the drill. These things are always the same. Control Alt F, Firefox, it's now open, but it's always next to each other. Not always, as I've discovered just recently. But for me, this is enough, right? I have two screens. To the left is Obs-studio. Cool, all right. And on that screen, I can open everything in a long, well, train of windows, basically. And I can switch around with them. I can remove them with Super Q, Super Shift Q, things like that. Super F1, F2, Super F3, Super F4. No, first this one. So this is F3, Super F4, Super F5, and you see that it comes always next to each other. F6, F7, F8, F9, and Super F10, right? Spotify. So let's kill this before you see what kind of music I listen. With Super Shift Q, everything is gone again. So that's well, it's a tiling manager for sure. We can also change the way bar up here. So we started with config of way bar, hyperlink, and wayfire, and then mix the little things a little bit up, and then see if this is working and all that. All right, down here. So all different things, basically copy paste, but not, well, smart copy paste, right? Because we have now a new folder in the .config called Niri. That's where everything should point to. This is CSS, so we can do a lot of things extra. You can change if you a little bit, or with the help of ChatGPT, you just ask, give me something. And then you have to describe it. You'll get code back, and there you go. This is Pywall. Pywall means you need the application Python Pywall. And if you are going to change the wallpaper of variety, it's gonna take a look at the variety and say, oh look, it's a blue thing, and then it will create also a blue bar up here, and also a neofetch. So back to default. This is the design by default. That's the look we want to go for. CPU is here busy, the memory is busy. Here's another way of changing wallpapers. Sound is working, Spotify is working, play. So less sound, more sound, mute, stop, previous, play and pause, toggle, and then the next button, all these buttons we have on our keyboard, that's working as well. A little thing to tell you what's going on. I need to change a few things in here because this is a copy paste. It's not Kitty. I've removed Kitty altogether from Niri. It's Alacrity. So several things need to be updated, but that's not the point. Just have a look and see, right? See what's going on and how Niri is looking. So we have, when we click here, the second screen gets the escape thing, so we can stop there. Super X, right? You don't see it. So there's more, of course, to tell. You know the drill. You need to read the .config Niri. It's already there, and there he is. You need to read all of that, and this is still needs to go. So we started with hyperlink, wayfire combo, and then made our Niri in it. It took about 90 minutes to actually have a working Niri, but then of course you have to make it conform to the ArcoLinux key bindings and all that. So yeah, that took a little bit more time, but this is what we have now, and it's actually quite nice. There's more to it. You can scroll down and up. As you see, I can do this and then scroll down again and open this here and then scroll up, scroll up. So that means one terrain horizontal in this screen. I have a second screen also like that. So I can, in the first line here, I can say, I don't know, I'm gonna put the browsers there, and the second line I'm gonna code, and the third line I'm gonna design, and the fourth, etc. Right? You can have this logic that you need to create yourself. You say, okay, I'm gonna do it like that. So this is vertical, but if you open something here, it's gonna go behind it, and a super arrow to the left, zero arrow to the right, switching between it. Super F is gonna work. Super Shift F is full screen. Super F, Super Shift F. Like I said, you need to read. So the config KDL here, that's the one you need. Maybe I should add a few things, and it's already done here. Well, no, but basically make sure that you can open in the KDL syntax. If you can, then this looks nicer than otherwise. It's just untitled or something. I don't know, plain text. This is what it looks normally, right? I can't read this. So I have installed it. There are videos out there how to get this on your system, not KDL specifically, but basically command palette and then install package control, install package, you do that, and then KDL, and KDL is probably already in there, so it won't show, and then click and it's working. So that's what I'm doing on this weekend of 8, 7, and 8 February. Cheers.